Hi everybody, welcome to AGAA-MATH. This is Rakesh. In this video we are going to learn how to represent the Venn diagrams of the two given sets. Right? So let us see here. So in the previous videos also we have learned that this complete rectangular box is taken as a mu, right? And this is A and this is B, set A and set B. Fine. So here A union B, how do you represent A union B? So A union B means we know that the elements contains in set A and set B are taken all the elements together into a single set is said to be A union B. It means elements of A as well as elements of B, even if they are common also, if there are any common elements are taken all together, is nothing but A union B. So how do you represent means this is the way we just represent what is A union B. So here I am using in a pattern like using some horizontal lines. It's your wish how do you represent, what pattern you would like to use to shade the things here, like A and B set A and B represented like this. So right, so here you have to mark that is this shaded region is said to be the A union B, and also do one thing, better you highlight the region which includes A union B so that this highlighted region is what? A union B, right? Even let us see another way to represent. Even you can represent in another way also. Let us see how it is. So as we learned that this rectangular box indicates mu and this is A and this is B, right? So how do we represent as A and B? So sometimes even we can do like this. I take like this, I just make like this. See, here I am using a pattern like horizontal lines. It's your wish, as you said. As I said before, you can use any pattern. Right? So now you can observe that here the unshaded region is said to be like A union B. So then how do you represent here? A union B is equals to unshaded region, means nothing is shaded. So and also you better highlight, as I said, you have to highlight, right? This is what the region. So this is the region of A union B, right? Similarly, let us see what is the A intersection B now. So what is A intersection B means? So obviously this is mu and this is A, this is B. So A intersection B, how do you shade the region of A intersection B? Intersection means common. So this is only the common region of these two sets. Common region of these two sets. This is only the common region, right? So this is what A intersection B. So this shaded region. Or obviously, if you would like to represent in another way, let us see here. So here A, B and mu. Now how do you represent in another way means, yes, I use any instead of this. So simple, I just shade except the intersection part. Except the intersection part I would like to shade here. Same, I am using the same pattern of horizontal lines. So except the intersection part, right? So for yourself, you better use a pencil and the ruler whenever you would like to draw in your notes or in the examination. Whenever you do, better use a pencil to represent this. So that looks more smarter than this, right? So here, now this unshaded region is what? A intersection B. So here I just do one thing. A intersection B is nothing that this is an empty box. So here I just shown that shaded region is a intersection B, but here the unshaded region is a intersection B. The both ways, in any one of the way you can use to represent A intersection B. Right, now let us see what is A minus B and what is B minus A and what is A complement and B complement. How do we represent all those? Let us see now. Before you watch the video, subscribe it, click on the bell icon for more notifications. So here we see how do we represent A minus B. Means how do you shade the region for A minus B? We know that A minus B means only in A but not in B. The elements contains only in set A but not in the set B. So it means what? This is A and this is B. So I just shade the region only A. This is what? Only A. Means so that shaded region. So this shaded region is said to be the A minus B. So how do you represent B minus A? Very simple. Let us see now. Same, this is A, B and mu. So how do we represent B minus A? Now I use another pattern here for that. It's your wish, as I said before. You can use any. Here in this you just use the vertical line pattern. So it's up to you what line of pattern you would like to use. So B minus A, this is a vertical line. So this shaded region is what? B minus A. It means what? Elements only in B but not in A. So here A region is not shaded. Means it means here the elements of a set only B are taken as a B minus A. Right, then how do we represent A complement and B complement? Let us see now. So here we see what is A complement. A complement means what? Mu minus A. It means the elements only in the universal set. Mu is nothing that universal set but not in A. So let's take this rectangular box is mu and this is A. Right, so only elements in mu but not in A. So except A, this is the region A, right? So except this region you can shade, or if you shade only A, the empty space which is not shaded is to be considered as mu minus A. But for myself, what I do is I just shade the region which is mu minus A. Means the elements only in mu but not in A. Right, so this is how which we do. So here I just done it. Right, so what is that? Means A complement is nothing that the shaded region, because we are not taking which are elements in A, which are the elements in set A. So this is what mu. Now here we learn how do we represent B subset to A. What is meant by B subset to A? Elements of set B, all the elements of set B should contain in the set A. Right, so let me take that this is B and this is set A. So the bigger circle which is given here is set A and this is set B, and this rectangular box I just take like mu. Now you can understand that the elements of set B, all the elements of set B are present in A, right? So this is what? Very easier, which is B subset to A. Clear? So this is what, how do we represent A union B and A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A complement, B complement and B subset to A. If it is A subset to B, if they ask you to make A subset to be very simple. So this smaller circle is taken as A and the bigger circle is B. It is A subset to B. So this is how we represent the Venn diagrams for the given sets, right? In the next video we will come with a few more about the sets. Thank you for listening. For any doubts, ask us, give us a mail at askagaamath@gmail.com. Thank you.